If you are looking for how to enable autocorrect misspelled words in Windows, then keep watching. You know that Windows offers a built-in typing feature that automatically corrects spelling mistakes while you type in apps like Notepad, WordPad, browser and other text fields. So follow these simple steps. So in the search box on the bottom of the computer, type setting and click on the settings and go to the time and languages. Click on that and then click on the language on the left side, and on the right side in the related setting section you will see that spelling, typing and keyboard setting. Click on that and here you will see that spelling under the typing and autocorrect misspelled words. Right now it is turn off. You need to turn it on, and that's all. If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe.